there, I hope you had a great weekend. Welcome into Fox Weather First. I'm Craig Herrera. We turn our attention back to portions of the Caribbean as we monitor Invest 98L. This one's bringing some heavy rain to the windward and the leeward islands. If you've got family out there, if you're planning on a vacation out there, you're like, let me roll the dice, see if I can make it out there in late October. It's going to be a little rough. Now, Invest, remember, we're investigating this further. We're putting more model attention into it because there is a good maybe promise or indication we could see something develop here. 90, the numbers go 90 through 99, and then it starts over again, 90, 91, 92, and then L for the Atlantic Basin. Having said that, there are a number of thunderstorms on the eastern side of this storm bubbling up, and on the northern side as well. There's still some dry air on the western side. So once it starts to fill in, I think we've got a better chance of seeing something. In fact, the National Hurricane Center has tagged this with a 70% chance of development in the next 7 days, 30% chance in the next 2 days. It's just biting off a lot of, say, some drier air, if you will, on the southern and western side of this. Now, the red area, a reminder for you, is not a forecast cone, but the area to watch where we could see development anywhere within that red zone. Now, having said that, these storms, these cluster of storms are really coming together. It's just when we take a look at, are they on top of each other? Do we have a closed circulation? We're not quite there. The winds are at 40 miles per hour. That is also very close to tropical storm. Let's get that up to 45. Here's an interesting thing. When we look at the tropical threat, this is an exclusive model you will see here at Fox Weather. We take into effect all of the forecast models, the GFS, the Euro, the Google AI. Good consensus for the next several days. We'll see something develop, high chance right in the areas of orange, rather. Beyond that, once we go beyond that, the models are all over the place. Some take it up into the north, right over the Dominican Republic. Some take it due west, right over portions or closer to Central America. So these are still questions that we have beyond the end of the week. Stay with us because during next week, the weekend into next week, things look more impressive. You are starting to see, by the way, we had a whole bunch of the white, high top, cold air aloft that was bubbling up. Those thunderstorms are starting to fill in. Plenty of rain here. You can see from what's going on the eastern side of the storm. We have low wind shear. We do have high moisture to work with, and there's some very warm water in place. Temperatures here are into the mid and upper 80s, so this has a good chance of development, and the rest of the models do take it off to several locations once it goes just south of the DR. Stay with us as we watch this one closely for you. The next name on the list, by the way, is going to be Melissa.